Away with another video for you guys. Going to be doing some deathrun portable today. Got a new headset so I'm capable of talking clearly. You can hear me fine, so I'm gonna be looking for a server. None of these look interesting, so I'm just gonna have to join colors, even though it says girls only. My name is set to Trick Gamer because of my other YouTube channel. I don't feel like changing it right now. I will change it after this video. Just don't mind that it says Trick Gamer. I know it's weird, but who cares? Alright, so just gotta wait for these guys to kill each other. It's 2 against 1. It can't possibly be that hard. Okay, we got hackers. That's really cool. Let's just see if we can add him. That'd be awesome. Cool boy. Add friend. I wonder if he'd accept it. Oh, he accepted it? Cool boy. Let's see if he actually replies. Like, if I could literally... Can you mod my game? Give items. Oh, shoot. Alright, I'm just gonna try to kill these dudes. Oh my god, these dudes are scary, yo. Stop running. Okay, that sucks. Cool. He's about to kill me. Ah, he got me. Oh boy. You suck. want to get banned. That's kind of mean. Wonder if he actually gave me. I think that's why I'll get banned for having so much money. God. Well, he didn't give me any money, so I'm good. I'm not gonna get banned. Alright, let's chop here. Now that I don't think we gotta worry about hackers or anything. It's nice. Alright, so let's chop. These guys don't want it. They're all some noobs. Bunch of noobs. Killing blues. What, there's actually blue dudes killing? Oh, shoot. Psych. These guys are good. Hey, too nice. Psych, nigga. Yo, these niggas trash. Well, I'm just good. Oh, I'm getting nervous. I'm laggy. Thumbs up, guys. I got him. What's this guy? Is he red? Oh, he scared me. Can't see, I gotta chill. Aha! Finally somebody killed me. Okay, I'm not gonna... Ow! I think he hit me from behind, so I don't care. Oh, crap. What the heck happened? Alright, I have no idea what just happened, guys. So I'm just gonna end the video here, because I think my Wi-Fi is acting dumb for some reason. Don't want to go to another server. That was a good video, so... You know, I just chopped for a minute, so yeah. Deuces.